Jane. I think I just sprained my back while doing some exercising here. Hey, you stay near to Compassvale, right? Do you mind if I just come up to your place for some physio back treatment?
Sure, no problem.
Okay, Ken. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, I see you. Bye. Jane? Since you said so, I will have a look around the house then. It's really so nice staying at such high floor with such unblocked views, and it's so breezy here. Nice! I really like the contrast of this colourful painting against the white brick wall. I wonder where Jane bought this painting from. Oh, so this door actually conceals the home shelter here, while at the same time creating some bookshelves and shoe cabinets below. Wow, such a smart idea. I'm so thirsty. Where can I get a cup? Oh wow, I'm so impressed with this pull-out cabinet. I can easily access the items inside, which are arranged so nicely. This is so neat. It's a good idea to put in a full-length mirror here. It does make the dining area look more spacious. Wow, this is a really good idea. And wow, mirrors really make wonders. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Do you think that I have lost any weight at all? Oh, this must be Jane's princess's room. The combination of these bright colours does give the room the princessy touch to it. There's this whiteboard fixed on the wall where the kids can learn their ABCs or even to scribble something freely on the wall without having the worry of damaging the wall. Oh, there's a pen here. Oh, this must be their master bedroom. The dark wood of the cabinets and feature wall matches the flooring very well. Kinda gives me the cozy banyan tree resort feel. It must be the coziness of this room that's making me sleepy. Oops, I think I need to use the washroom urgently. Talk about resort feel. The theme in the bathroom concurs with that of the master bedrooms. Not forgetting the cozy textured flooring and carpentry put in, which gives the natural and inviting feel. If you think that this house can meet your family needs, and you would like to have a view of this well-designed home, please contact me at this number to arrange an exclusive viewing with me. I'm Jessica from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. See you soon!
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.